What is going on, YouTube? Errol here from High Road Comics, and today is a special day because I'm in Las Vegas, Nevada, and I don't want anybody to judge me, but Torpedo Comics, new and vintage comics, trades and hardcovers, toys and statues, as seen on YouTube. Going in. See you later.
Whosoever watches this channel, if he or she be worthy, shall acquire the knowledge from High Road Comics.
What is going on, Road Warriors? Errol here, and you're right in the HRC with High Road Comics. And today, I'm going to go over my Fantastic Friday pickups from this. Actually, it's from this last Memorial Day weekend. I went to Las Vegas, hit up 2 comic shops. I went to Alternate Reality Comics as well as Torpedo Comics, which is something I've been wanting to do for a very long time. Just haven't been in Vegas in a while, but I went and I had a great time. I'm going to go ahead and put those videos, quick videos of me walking up to the store and taking pictures there at the end of the video. Kind of in the time crunch right now, watching game 1 of the Warriors Raptors. So let's go ahead and check out what I got. So let's start off with Torpedo Comics. Day 1, I went 2 times. Day 1 I got to meet Gabe, and then he wasn't there day 2. I actually wanted to chat him up. A little fanboying, I guess. But yeah, let's go ahead and kick it off. I got first appearance of Kang the Conqueror as Ramatut. It's actually the first appearance of Ramatut, later revealed to be Kang the Conqueror. Going in future. So what I absolutely love about Torpedo Comics is it gives you the grade, or what they think the grade is, and yeah, it's only a fair, good 1.5, but guess what? I don't care. It's in my collection. I got another Silver Age Fantastic Four book, and I'm looking forward to getting more. If I see more of this book, I'm gonna grab it. Yeah, I get it. There's some rust, but you know what? Gives it some of that authentic flavor, I think. And then I'm not even gonna take it out. I love these bags. These are like Mylar 2.0 or something. I don't know. It's like a step above Mylar. It's like what you would put, like if you collect coins, something you put in that so they don't get scratched up. I love these compared to, let's say, the regular bags of boards. You could totally tell the difference. I can, at least, and it's fantastic. So let's go ahead and put that down. What else did I get from Torp Comics? I'll show you the backs. So I got a 2.0 comic. Let's go ahead and check it out, and a 5.0. So let's start off with a 2.0. 2.0 comic, good. I think it looks better than that. We got number 42, The Birth of a Superhero. This is actually the first full appearance of Mary Jane Watson. I think I got it for a steal, but that's just me. Like, this cover looks fantastic. There's like some color breaks. Yeah, and that bottom, great. But you know what? Happy with it. Silver Age Spider-Man. I know I gotta just stick to like one thing. I started off with Spider-Man, then I got into the Fantastic Four, and now I am on a Thor kick, and now it's just like anything Silver Age I'll grab my hands on. And then I also got this one, Amazing Spider-Man number 61. It's in a 5.0, very good /climb, and you could actually see it looks better. There's some color break action, but it does look better. Look here. Oh, what a tangled web we weave. And we got first cover appearance of Gwen Stacy. And I think that's Captain Stacy. Can't tell. But yep. Silver Age Spider-Man. So I got that one, this one, and that one. Torpedo Comics. Love it. Love the place. Oh! Let me show you what else I got from Torpedo Comics. I'm actually gonna have to move my camera. Please excuse the clutter. Seriously, I got that crush-proof CGC box. So let's go ahead and check it out. I'm gonna go on a little field trip here. So I got. I'm just putting previews in there. I don't have many slabs, but the ones I do, I love. You got, it's wide enough for slabs, but it's narrow enough so that I can't put magazines in there. So it's wide, it's snug. Check it out, 9.8 Venom, and then also my ASM 300 and all my signed Rob Liefelds. But that's not why you're here, is it? Doesn't matter. Yeah, so crush proof. Check out that video. It's on their Facebook page of them proving that's crush proof, and it's actually pretty cool. Yeah. Oh man, I wish I was able to take pictures of the System of a Down drums. Okay, anyway, so yeah, that was a good one. And then I also went to Alternate Reality Comics. This one was shouted out on Jim Comics YouTube channel. It was like LCS of the pick, the shop of the pick, shop of, you know what I mean, LCS pick of the episode. But check them out. They're in Maryland, Parkway, number 8, Las Vegas, Nevada, 89119. Damn, little date down. But yeah, this one's super quick. Nothing too crazy. I spent a whopping $3 there. So I got Mighty Thor annual number 13 for $1. And then I also got Machine Man 2, first appearance of Iron Man 2020, Arlo Stark. Check it out. Not too shabby condition, in my opinion. Fine, looks great. Pages look great. I already opened it. I'll leave it in there. But yeah, this one's on actually Key Collector's top 20 this week. But yeah. Totally on that Iron Man God Killer kick, and that Iron Man 2020, which is coming. I saw it in the solicitation. I'm thinking about doing a video for Marvel solicitation. Yeah. Iron Man. Let's see if I can find it real quick. Damn. Anyway, that's all I got. Thank you for being here. Let's see if I can find it. Can't, but if you look, it's in here. It's in the previews, the Marvel previews. Yeah, Iron Man 2020 is coming, and oh, here it is. 2020 approaches in Iron Man number 15. They are starting to tease it. I wonder if that's going to be the next big event. But yep, that's all I got. Thank you for being here. I'll see you at the next stop. And don't forget, always take the high road. This is Errol, going off. What's going on, YouTube? Errol here from High Road Comics, and today I am at Alternate Reality Comics. Let's go inside and check it out.